Ready for some heavy-duty action? From winding roads to mind-blowing hauls, we're taking you behind the scenes of the most challenging trucking jobs. Let's get started on Mega Hub.
Camarón el maestro.
That's not just a flat, it's a total tire meltdown. Imagine being the crew tasked with wrestling that giant back into working condition. And just like that, poof, the wheel's off on an adventure of its own. That driver's about to have a very bad day. 1 second, it was a smooth climb. Then, bam, gravity had other plans. That food delivery just turned into an all-you-can-eat roadside buffet. That was nothing short of a miracle. 1 second, it's total chaos, and the next, he's walking away like it was just another day at work. The Volvo FMX is a beast when it comes to tackling the harshest terrains. Whether it's snow, ice, or mud, this truck's 6x6 drivetrain digs in and gets the job done. It's like a mountain goat, effortlessly climbing through snow-covered paths where most vehicles would slip and slide. Did that just happen? One swipe, and the crane is history. That excavator came in like a wrecking ball.
Camarón el maestro.
One wrong move and splash. That truck and driver just got an unplanned swimming lesson. Hope they brought a towel. The repair shop just got an unexpected drive-through service. Crane crashes are no joke, but at least no one was inside when it happened. Did you see that explosion? The whole quarry seemed to shake. Talk about perfect timing. That railroad worker's quick reflexes just saved a life. Absolute hero. Who would have thought the Fiat 126P, also known as the Malik, could pull off such a feat? With its modest design, this tiny car is certainly not built for heavy-duty towing. But when put to the test, it more than held its ground. Towing a combined 20 tons of trailers might have been an afterthought for this vehicle, but it sure shows the strength and reliability lurking beneath the surface. Smart move. Sometimes no amount of horsepower can fight against gravity. Unloading a bit is way better than risking a complete disaster. Did you see that? The Cat D5 didn't just win, it dominated. The Challenger 55 gave it a shot, but power speaks louder than effort. Nothing can stop the Menzi Muck a 91. With those floaters, it moves like a tank through any kind of terrain. Impressive. The LTM 1500-8.1 crane is the epitome of precision in wind turbine installation. With 45 tons of ballast and its 21-meter luffing jib, it ensures every movement is smooth and controlled, making it the perfect machine for setting up the first 3 towers with ease. At this point, the Scania wasn't just stuck, it was part of the Ice Age. The K700 battling through the snow to save it, pure adrenaline.
Твою мать!
I thought they had it, but in the end, it looks like all that support was in vain. Big, stubborn, and unstoppable. When these titans meet, you know something monumental is about to happen. That innocent-looking puddle turned into a trap. Transporting 39.5-meter steel beams through Czech roads? That's no easy feat. Each beam, weighing a hefty 17 tons, required careful planning and precise execution. It's like putting together a giant puzzle, with every piece, every truck, fitting together perfectly. The Metro Stav team orchestrated this heavy-load symphony flawlessly, making it look easy. That was one for the history books. If I had done that, I'd probably retire the next day. Well, that didn't go as planned. The Ivanovitz just flipped over while trying to lower the pipe. And apparently this happens more often than we think. Behind every great achievement, there's a strong support system pushing you to go further. Who needs a shovel when you've got that kind of finesse in handling a sand trap? Maneuvering a 176-ton gas tank through tight urban streets? That takes next-level skill. The way this convoy weaves through obstacles with pinpoint accuracy is like watching a surgeon operate with a scalpel. Except the scalpel weighs hundreds of tons, heavy hauling at its finest. Navigating the Cañón del Pato with another vehicle coming at you isn't just a test of driving, it's about precision, patience, and trust. That narrow road turns every encounter into a high-stakes dance, where every move counts. When it comes to tough river crossings, the Gaz 66 is in a class of its own. It doesn't just survive, it thrives. Legends aren't made by following footsteps. They leave their own tracks. The forest looks beautiful, but hidden beneath the snow lies one of nature's deadliest traps, waiting for the unwary. In a quarry, only the experienced thrive. And this Kobelco excavator is a perfect example of that. Handling heavy stones with ease and precision. precision, speed, and sheer force, this excavator makes destruction look like an art form.
Whoa! Whoa!
Every time I watch a transport job like this, it blows my mind. The 600-ton transformer was an absolute monster of a load, and watching the team maneuver it across roads, carefully steering around every obstacle, is just mesmerizing. It's incredible to think about the planning, the equipment, and the expertise required to make something like this go smoothly. Perfect ambush. One train lays down cover, the other goes in for the strike. We are officially outmatched. Joey's Towing is the name you can trust for heavy-duty towing and recovery, available around the clock to handle any challenge. When you're hauling a 300-ton girder that's 86 meters long, every single component in your setup needs to work like a well-oiled machine. In Project Gator, Calvert, Alabama, this isn't just heavy transport. It's a precision-engineered ballet of steel and horsepower. From the multi-axle trailers to the finely tuned weight distribution, every detail is calculated down to the millimeter. So much work, wasted in the time it takes to snap your fingers. It wasn't just a jump into the mud, it was a graceful leap, like a dancer hitting the perfect move. A 190-ton food industry conditioner on a 38-meter-long journey through Poznan. Now that's what you call a logistical challenge. It's incredible to see how the team managed to make it happen, from shutting down tram lines to carefully navigating the streets. That river wasn't letting go without a fight, but with skill, teamwork, and pure determination, they pulled off a legendary rescue. This is why experience matters. Only a true pro could keep their cool and maneuver like that. Oh no. The way that excavator handles that slope, it's like it's taking full advantage of the challenge. Well, at least the cargo made it off the truck, just not quite as planned. With the plow's help, that Kamaz was no match for the muck anymore. It's proof that no challenge is too big with the right gear. You never realize how important good tires are until you're stuck on the side of the road. This Komatsu's strength is no joke. With an amphibious excavator on standby, they've got the perfect team to conquer any challenge. Looks like backing up isn't just for parking. This trick's what makes it through the tough terrain with hay bales. This is heavy machinery on a whole new level. Watching the Leibherr R9800 get transported and assembled is like seeing a real-life Transformer scene unfold. The sheer size of this excavator is insane. It's like a giant erector set for the toughest jobs on the planet. Every bolt, every hydraulic line, every massive component comes together like a mechanical symphony. When you're happy, even the toughest tasks feel lighter. Impressive. The struggle was real. That last load must have been an absolute beast to handle. You can practically hear gravity laughing at this attempt at coordination. Driving through this icy, snowy path takes nerves of steel, and this driver's got them in spades. Absolutely. Seeing the legendary Deltic D9009 Elicedon on the move is like watching a piece of railway history get the VIP treatment. That 13-axle Goldhofer trailer is a monster, built for jobs just like this, handling massive loads with precision. Wow, watching that crane lift the T150 tractor is like witnessing raw power in action. The strength of that crane is unreal. Amazing. He was going for epic, but landed somewhere between clumsy and comedy. Enjoyed the journey? Show your support with a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Wow, this is going to be a tough lesson for the driver. I'm sure they'll never forget this moment. Now that's what I call perfect planning. The driver handled that slope like a pro, unloading those beats without breaking a sweat. That was epic. If you had fun, hit like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping content. See you in the next one.